Hey guys, welcome to R&D Cycles Workshop. I got a little something to show you today. This is part of my Trail 90 projects. And I'm going to show you, well, first let's go over here. This is going to work out a little better and make you understand what I'm doing. Okay, these parts here, this is the brace for the foot pegs. There's a new kickstand. This is actually an XR80 kickstand I'm going to make work for the Trail 90. These are the front and rear axles and one of the bolts hold the engine down. These are where the foot pegs go, and as you see, all these parts are beautiful, rust-free. There's the little lever that maintains the torque on the rear brake. There's the rear brake lever, front brake lever. Alright, I did that with this stuff here. This is Evaporust. Now, I'm not sponsored by them, nothing like that, but I just want to show you how well this stuff works. And by that, one of the last pieces I have, I don't know how well the camera's showing this, but this is the cylinder, and it is rusty to all hell. It's supposed to be black. There might be some black left in there, but for the most part, it's rust. So what I'm going to do, I've already cleaned it up. This is pretty much as good as it can get. I did take the wire brush to the gasket surface here. I had to get the gasket off, and what I also did is I wire brushed a little bit of it in the middle here, and I left the corrosion, a little bit of rust on the either outside. It's not grease or dirt. I have cleaned this with acetone several times, trying to help break up the break up the gasket, and this still remains. So what we're going to do, we're going to stick this in the solution here. This is the Evaporust, and we're going to let this soak. Alright, this is going to take more than a day. That should actually, by tomorrow, should look good, and I will show you tomorrow. These, on the other hand, these are the brake drums. This one here is the rear. Now it's kind of dirty. It needs to be cleaned first. You put it in there before it's gone in there, and it'll ruin that. So we're not going to do that. Here's the front drum. It's a little cleaner, not much. So these I'm actually just going to sit. This is 43 years worth of junk. I'm going to move the thing over. We're going to take and we're going to set these in here. We're going to see what a soaking bath does to them. I'm just going to soak them overnight. And we'll come back and see those tomorrow. We will also come back and see that tomorrow. Now these are about ready to be painted. They got all the old paint stripped off of them. They're going to get a set of all the steel pieces before they get painted will be coated in an etching primer, and then they will be coated with the actual paint, and then eventually I will reassemble them, put them onto the bike. Give you more idea. There's parts of the bike back there. It's the motor. There's some more of the brakes. I got pieces all over my garage here. But for now, that's what you get. Alrighty, if you got any questions, comments, you know what to do.